Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Context is key to social media strategy in a noisy online world. Lecture 3. In this lecture we will learn about defining your social media objectives, aligning social media objectives with overall business goals, identifying key performance indicators (KPIs) for measuring success, setting smart objectives for each social media platform, defining metrics and benchmarks for tracking progress, creating a social media strategy framework. Conclusion: aligning social media objectives with overall business goals. Social media can be a powerful tool for businesses to achieve their overall goals. However, it is important to align social media objectives with those goals in order to maximize its impact. For example, if the business goal is to increase brand awareness, social media objectives could include increasing followers and engagement on social media platforms. By aligning social media objectives with overall business goals, a clear and concise strategy can be developed. This strategy should take into account the target audience, messaging, and tone of voice that will resonate with them. Identifying key performance indicators (KPIs) for measuring success. When it comes to measuring social media success, identifying key performance indicators (KPIs) is crucial. KPIs are specific metrics that help you track progress towards your social media objectives. By setting KPIs, you can measure the effectiveness of your social media strategy and make data-driven decisions. The KPIs you choose will depend on the social media platform you're using and the goals you want to achieve. For example, if your goal is to increase brand awareness on Instagram, your KPIs might include follower growth rate, engagement rate, and reach. On the other hand, if your goal is to generate leads on LinkedIn, your KPIs might include click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per lead. It's important to choose KPIs that align with your overall business goals and are relevant to the specific social media platform you're using. Setting smart objectives for each social media platform. When it comes to setting social media objectives, it's important to make sure they are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific objectives clearly define what you want to achieve on each social media platform. Measurable objectives allow you to track progress and determine if you're meeting your goals. Achievable objectives are realistic and within reach. Relevant objectives align with your overall business goals. Time-bound objectives have a set deadline for completion. Defining metrics and benchmarks for tracking progress. Defining metrics and benchmarks is crucial for tracking progress towards social media objectives. Metrics are the specific data points that indicate whether or not a goal has been achieved, such as the number of followers gained or the amount of engagement on a post. Benchmarks are the standards against which progress is measured, such as industry averages or past performance. When defining metrics and benchmarks, it's important to consider the overall business goals and how social media can contribute to them. For example, if the goal is to increase brand awareness, metrics such as reach and impressions may be more important than metrics like conversions. It's also important to establish realistic benchmarks based on past performance and industry standards. Creating a social media strategy framework. To create a social media strategy framework that aligns with overall business goals, it is important to first identify the key performance indicators (KPIs) for measuring success on each platform. This can include metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Once these KPIs have been identified, smart objectives can be set for each platform. These objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Defining metrics and benchmarks for tracking progress towards these objectives is also crucial. This allows for regular evaluation of the effectiveness of the social media strategy and the ability to make adjustments if necessary. By creating a comprehensive social media strategy framework that includes all of these elements, businesses can ensure that their social media efforts are aligned with overall business goals and are effectively contributing to the success of the organization. Conclusion. In conclusion, it is crucial for businesses to align their social media objectives with their overall business goals. This ensures that their social media efforts are contributing to the success of the business as a whole. Measuring success using KPIs, SMART objectives, and defined metrics and benchmarks is also essential in determining the effectiveness of social media strategies. By regularly tracking progress and adjusting strategies accordingly, businesses can optimize their social media presence and achieve their desired outcomes.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.